5 trades, 5-1. London was an incredible session. So of the 5 trades, they're all slightly different. I was going to run through each one with you so that you could see why we got into trades and why we got out of trades. So let's start over here. This was a very bog standard inverse. We've come down, we've swept some liquidity, we've come up, we've inversed. There were some equal highs above here. So we've targeted the next area of liquidity. So sweep, inverse, next area of liquidity. The second one was a retest. So we've come back down into this 1 minute here, this 1 minute fair value gap. You can see the box entered on 50%. So just a bog standard limit order. We've got tapped into the trade, targeting the next area of liquidity. As you can see, once we got tapped in, price moved away, hit our TP. This one down the bottom here is slightly different. It's an inverse fair value gap. So we've come down and we've swept this liquidity, we've swept this liquidity. Obviously down here, we've inversed this fair value gap. Next area of liquidity, we've gone up and we've tapped our take profit. This one here was more of an internal silver bullet setup. So we've had a sweep of liquidity down here. The previous range low was swept. We've come up, we've had a market structure shift here, and we've come all the way back down into this extreme 1 minute. 50% of the fair value gap was the entry, stop loss just underneath the low, targeting the next area of liquidity. As you can see, we've come up and we've tapped into our TP. This one again was the same as this, but more of an internal silver bullet. So we've come down here and we've swept some liquidity. We've come up and we've come down into an extreme fair value gap, which you can just see here. Got in on the close of a candle. There was like a big hammer candle there. Got in on the close of that candle, targeting first area of liquidity. That's tapped into our TP. So they're the 5 trades, all slightly different, all taken in one session. 5 trades, 100% win rate. Thanks for watching.